But to say, I am proud to be an Igbo man, he has made me so proud that anywhere I go to, I'll be proud to say, I am an Igbo man.
Don't forget
that I'm proud that he's a Nigerian and that he's from Igbo extraction. He's a Nigerian born from the eastern part. Mr. Speaker, I don't want that to go away because for obvious reasons we have been abused, battered, called names as Igbos. But today, in the whole world, an Igbo man is showing that Igbos have the capacity to be empathic.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what a great song from Igbo land said. That man you are seeing there is Ndudi Elumelu. He is from Onichoko in Enuane region, Anioma land, Delta State. He said that he is so proud of being an Igbo man. In your proudness not get boundary. He is too proud to be an Igbo man. He said that Igbos are being marginalized, Igbos are being subjugated, Igbos are being insulted in this country. He is saying that in the House of Reps, Abuja, that Igbos are being oppressed. And even at that, Igbos are showing that they are successful people all over the world. Igbos are industrious, Igbos are hardworking, Igbos are great people. That is what he said there. Say even as Nigerians, they marginalize Igbos. Igbos are still proving to the world that they are great people. And when he said that Igbos are being marginalized, he did not say that it's only the Southeast Igbos that are being marginalized. He's saying that both the Southeast and the South-South Igbos are being marginalized. A politician from South-South is telling you that he is a proud Igbo man. And someone that is in the village is busy saying that he's not an Igbo person. Big man, they don't say Igbo. Why they don't say Igbo? Because he knows that he's an Igbo man. His history proves that he's an Igbo man. His language proves that he's an Igbo man. His culture and tradition proves that he's an Igbo man. The food he eats shows that he's an Igbo man. The clothes he wears shows that he's an Igbo man. The name he bears shows that he's an Igbo man. The land he occupies shows that he's an Igbo man. Everything about him shows that he's an Igbo man. How come a poor person from Anioma is saying that he's not an Igbo person? Because why? He not get means of history. Like poverty no can allow him read history, know about himself. That's it. Because some people they talk say, why they call them poor people? Poverty is not only about you not see food to chop. Person when all they enlightened is poor in knowledge. Poverty is not only about to see food that we eat. When you are poor in knowledge, you are poor. Our people should wake up and escape this poor mentality. We have to embrace our Igbo identity. Other tribes in Nigeria, how many of them are complaining of the kind of marginalization that we Igbos are suffering from? In Anioma, our crude oil, we know they manage them. Now, cabas, they control them. What we do for them now? We they act as security man. As security, we they do for them. You they talk say you not be Igbo person. Our enemies, they mock you. You are not Igbo. During genocide, they scatter you. Is that not enough reason for you to know that you are Igbo? Our neighbors in Delta State, they not suffer waiting we suffer during the genocide. They are not touch Robo, they don't touch Isoko, they don't touch Ijo, they don't touch Shekiri, they don't touch Bini. But you and Yama people, you suffered. And today, our politicians that have sense are telling us that we are Igbo people. Why you will not even know your left? You not just know what thing they happen to you. You just they thought say you're not the Igbo person. They deceive yourself. During Buhari administration, the Igbo race said that they are not being represented in government. Buhari told them that Ibe Kachuku is an Igbo man, that he is representing them in government. And that time, Ibe Kachuku is the Minister of Petroleum. Look at what Buhari said. He said that Ibe Kachuku is an Igbo man from South-South. Buhari recognized Anioma people as Igbos, and you go see some people from Anioma. Hey, they don't say they don't be Igbo people. You see what I say? Many people don't have sense. Did Buhari call Ibe Kachuku an Igbo man? No. He called him an Igbo man. He knows saying an Igbo person. Ibe Kachuku is from Onichubo. They know who you are. They know that you are Igbo. So, deny from now till tomorrow, you are just shooting yourself in the foot. You are making yourself a minority and an easy target for the enemy to strike. No matter the condition, I will always identify as an Igbo man because I'm an Igbo person. I will never deny the identity of my ancestors for selfish gains. Politics will never make me deny who I am. An Igbo man remains an Igbo man no matter the denial. See, let me tell you, if a lion lies, let that lion say that he is a goat. Goats will tell him, you are not a goat, you are a lion. So all these Igbo people that say they don't be Igbo, una be lion where they identify as goats. Why goats? They tell una say una be lion. Yes! Ibu he we na ko we ewu. Ndi ile binu na egbu unu. Na-enye alụsị na mbụ kunu na sikwa na unu bụ ndị ile binu. Ewo ifele emegbu ya ndị dị nwe uche. Ndị ile binu na egbu unu oge ụwa mbụ kunu na sị na unu bụ ndị bini. Gị munu ji si ebe ọgbapụta ọ maka na nwa na-egbu unu. You be lion, you dey call yourself goat. We will never sit back and watch our people go astray. We will always be here to tell our people the truth. Our politicians representing us know who they are. Our politicians identify as Igbos. They are seen as Igbos. We too, we are Igbos. Igbo bofu, and we must never allow anybody to divide us. Ukwane people wake up. Ika people wake up. Enuane people wake up. Ukure people wake up. Don't allow any politician to deceive you. Any politician from any Igbo speaking region telling you that he is not an Igbo person. That person is a criminal. That person is a thief. That person is denying his Igbo identity just to get from the government. If that person they get anything they get from the government, now in pocket they enter. Anything they give you now change. Don't allow a politician to deceive you. Don't allow a politician to make you deny your identity. Igbo bofu. Every Igbo speaking community are Igbo people. Every Igbo speaking region is Igbo land and Igbo territory. We will keep preaching Igbo unity for our people to embrace their Igbo identity. Unity is power. Population is power. Igbo bofu, and we must never allow anyone to divide us. Remain blessed, Honorable Ndudi Elumelu. Ishiagwale.